Number 3, our breakfast nook. So similar concept, right off of the kitchen, we've got our little breakfast nook, breakfast room, whatever you want to call it, depending on what part of the country you're in. So the thought process was to put a vibration sensor onto the table so when you sit down to eat, the light comes on. Well, it's not quite that sensitive, so you actually have to pound the table for the light to come on. This actually works out pretty good because I'm convinced my son is a vampire, and he likes to do everything in the dark, including eating his breakfast. So he doesn't like that light on. However, if I sit there and I want the light on, or anyone else for that matter, you simply pound the table, the light comes on, and very similar to the bar stools, if there's no vibration detected for 15 minutes, the lights turn back off. So in addition to making it easy to turn lights on without having to walk back to a light switch, this actually helps us conserve energy because oftentimes prior to these automations being implemented, lights would be left on, someone forgot them, and they'd be on for hours at a time or overnight. This ensures that lights turn off when these areas aren't in use.